Once you've tried mixing olive oil with honey and let it sit overnight, you won't be able to live without it for the rest of your life. This powerful mixture will change your life for the better, thanks to its incredible benefits, provided that it's prepared and taken, as we will mention in this video. Before we start, I'd like to know if you've ever tried it, and if you're a new follower, subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell to receive all the new videos. Now, let's see what happens when you take this mixture. Honey and olive oil are known for their natural composition, which makes the properties of each one a cure for many ailments and a form of prevention. Additionally, they contain a huge number of benefits that your body needs. The choice of honey is crucial to maximize the benefits of our mixture. Always prefer artisanal or raw honey, produced locally. This type of honey preserves all its nutritional properties, including enzymes, antioxidants, and antimicrobial agents, unlike commercial honey that may be processed and diluted. Raw honey solidifies faster and has a richer taste, reflecting specific local blossoms. Extra virgin olive oil is one of the healthiest oils ever known to man because it's especially rich in beneficial compounds, monounsaturated fatty acids, and polyphenols, in addition to many nutrients and vitamins that are extremely important for the body. Honey also stands out for its sweet taste as a natural source of glucose and contains multiple health benefits from the nutrients present in liquid honey itself, along with the benefits of the extracts from various medicinal plants that bees feed on. It's also recognized for its effective antimicrobial and antiseptic properties, acting as an excellent solvent that prevents any interaction with the components of olive oil. This allows the mixture to be stored for over 2 months without losing its qualities or health benefits. So, when olive oil is mixed with honey, we have a blend of food and medicine. In this video, we will present the benefits of mixing olive oil with honey, as well as how to prepare and use it the right way. Improves the digestive system. First of all, the mixture promotes digestion, soothes stomach irritations, alleviates constipation and bloating, and increases the positive bacteria in the gut. Additionally, it protects the liver by boosting enzymes, preventing fat accumulation, and avoiding hepatitis by destroying the responsible virus without harming healthy cells, thus helping to keep the liver in good health. Weight loss and fat burning. Olive oil, rich in significant acids like oleic acid, plays a crucial role in eliminating localized fat in areas such as the abdomen, buttocks, and hips. It also stimulates the production of hormones, like peptide hormone, which helps reduce appetite and prolong the feeling of fullness. Honey, for its part, facilitates the digestive process, which consequently boosts and accelerates metabolism. Boosts the immune system. This mixture is packed with essential nutrients such as calcium, magnesium, and iron, as well as monounsaturated fatty acids, polyphenols, and antioxidants found in olive oil. Therefore, it provides the body with a wide range of crucial vitamins and minerals, strengthening the immune system and making it particularly effective in fighting most germs and viruses, including those that cause colds and flu. Improves cardiovascular performance. The mixture helps reduce the risk of heart diseases and prevents blood clots by increasing blood circulation speed in the vessels and lowering levels of harmful cholesterol. This preserves arterial and venous health, promoting better blood flow. Treats inflammatory diseases. Thanks to the flavonoids in honey and the polyphenols in olive oil, this mixture is enriched with active antioxidants. Therefore, it becomes a powerful remedy against inflammation, including conditions like arthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. Improves memory and prevents Alzheimer's disease. Regular use of this mixture plays a crucial role in improving memory and preventing Alzheimer's disease, thanks to the presence of antioxidants that neutralize free radicals, the agents responsible for aging and Alzheimer's itself. Moreover, olive oil and honey have positive effects on cognitive functions, enhancing concentration, strengthening the nerves, and offering relief from depression and stress. Boosts your energy. This mixture provides significant benefits to both men and women. After consuming it, you'll feel an immediate surge of energy that allows you to face the day with renewed vigor, and not just in the morning. It's an excellent stimulant that not only supports physical exercise through various activities, but also promotes blood circulation and vascular health. Additionally, it helps fight feelings of fatigue, apathy, and psychological stress. Cancer prevention. The mixture is rich in flavonoids and phenols, which boost the action of antioxidants. These are capable of cleansing the body of free radicals, the main culprits of cancer, and slowing the spread of cancerous cells, particularly those of breast cancer, antifungal, and antibacterial. The combination of olive oil and honey acts as a natural antibiotic with no side effects. Honey, thanks to its hydrogen peroxide content, is able to eliminate microbes, viruses, and fungi present in the body. Extra virgin olive oil, on the other hand, contains components that destroy harmful bacteria, such as Helicobacter pylori, responsible for cancer and gastric ulcers. Scientific studies have shown that daily use of this mixture helps eradicate these bacteria within 2 to 3 weeks. Improves skin and hair. In addition to consumption, the external application of this mixture on the face or body for 30 minutes offers significant benefits. It lightens the skin by eliminating age-related dark spots and slows the appearance of signs of aging. It nourishes and tones the skin, enhancing its glow and clarity, and helps solve various skin problems such as blackheads and acne. Applied to the scalp and hair tips for the same time, it helps reduce hair loss, increases strength and shine, and prevents breakage. How to use. The correct preparation and intake of the beneficial honey and olive oil mixture are simple. Start with 100 milliliters of warm water, to which 2 tablespoons of natural honey and 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil are added. Dissolve the honey in warm, not boiling, water, stirring until completely dissolved. Then add the oil and mix thoroughly. Let the mixture rest overnight so it becomes homogeneous. This mixture can be stored in the fridge for up to 2 months without losing its benefits, thanks to the solvent properties of honey that prevent interactions between the components. It's essential to store extra virgin olive oil in an opaque container to protect it from light, as exposure to light can cause photochemical oxidation, damaging the beneficial fatty acids and reducing their advantages. Make sure not to expose the oil to light by using a bottle that doesn't allow light through to preserve its benefits. It's recommended to consume a tablespoon of this mixture in the morning, half an hour before breakfast. After a few days, you will notice surprising effects that will boost your energy. To maximize the benefits of this mixture, it's crucial to select high-quality extra virgin olive oil from a reliable source and opt for natural honey, avoiding pasteurized honey that has lost its nutritional properties. Dear viewers, that was everything we had for today. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Write your opinion in our comment section. And for those following us for the first time, subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell to receive all the new videos. Thank you for watching till the end.